Hello friends, welcome back. In my previous video I have shown you the unboxing of the Week A30 tablet, and today I will show you how to connect this one to the computer and how can we use this one, how can we do the settings inside for the this gesture pad, and also for these soft touch buttons, and also for the digital pen. I will show you inside my computer now. So I will go into the, and now I will show you how to connect this one to the this tablet. This is the as I said you before, this is the type C USB cable. You have to connect this one here and this one here. Okay, this is very easy to connect. Okay, it is not very hard, so it is connected here, and this is the USB cable, so you can connect this one to the USB port of the computer. So like
now inside my computer, just enable my Wi-Fi to download the drivers. I enable my Wi-Fi. Now open the Chrome browser and type Week website, and just go to the Week, just scroll it down and select the Week there, and Week website has opened. Select the download button is displayed in the Week browser, and there is a two drivers is displayed, one for Mac and for Windows, and just download the drivers for Windows. Click on download button and download is started now. So download is in progress. So I think the internet speed is good, only it is downloading very fast. It is mostly done now. Okay, the download is completed, and it will open that exe file quickly, and it will install in the default browser itself. Click on installation, and installation is in progress. And installation is completed. Once installation is completed, you can see the Week tablet, the shortcut icon is also displayed on the desktop, and the same icon will be displayed on the right hand tray also. You can see the tablet, right? And just double click on this the shortcut icon to open the settings. Just click on this one, and I think it is not opening, maybe system is little slow. Just click on refresh once by using F5, and just double click again, and this is the settings for the Week Pen, the Week tablet, and there are four tabs are there: the pen, mapping, functions, and about us. And before explaining about this, the settings will show you how to write on the digital pad using the pen. You can write using different options. You can also use this Microsoft Ink Workspace also. I think most of the computers will have this one. If you don't have, you can use the Microsoft Paint also. Just use the MS Paint. Okay, just maximize the paint and just expand my writing white space there.
see, I'm writing now. So x plus y is equal to 2, and y is y is equal to 3. So I'm writing here, and you can see on the screen also. So, and also I can change the color of the pen. Okay, now I'm selecting the red color from the colors given on this one. So the red color is selected, and I can write anything. Okay, example is a square plus b square is equal to c, and also I can change the width of this one in the paint itself. So there is there's a drop down here, right? The size, and I can change the width. And example is radius. Okay, radius is equal to 2.3. okay, example, if you want to write my name, okay, how you want to write, you can write this will exactly, it is replica of your handwriting.
Now I'll quickly show the settings for both pen and the tablet. So in the settings panel, there are 4 tabs is given: the pen, mapping, functions, and about us. In the pen, there is a pen for settings are there. As I told you before, the pen is having 2 functional buttons, the first one and second one. The first one, second one, by default just click on restore default. So the pen and erase is given, but I prefer you select the as just click buttons, because the one is right click, for the first one is for the left click and second for the right click. So because it is useful, because most of the time when you are using a pen as a mouse, you need to click as a click and sometimes you need to do as a right click. So I always suggest you to all select the first one as a left click and right click, so easy to operate just like a mouse. But if you don't want these settings, still you can change it. Click middle click, double click, roller forward, roller backward, and in the keyboard also you can do the undo, redo also. And in the tablet mode you can use other settings. In the navigation mode you can use these buttons for the zoom in, zoom out, back and forward. The back and forward for the browsers. So when you open the browser, if you want to go back to the previous browser, you can use back and forward to the next browser when you are browsing on internet. Okay, these are the settings for the pen. And if you go to the mapping, in the mapping there are 2 functions are there. The this tablet can be used for the right hand users and also left hand users. So by default the right hand mode is selected, and if you are a left hand person, you can select the left hand mode. Okay, so there what happens is the active area will lightly changes. Okay, other than that there's no big difference in these 2 options. And we'll quickly go to the functions tab. The functions tab, there are 2 sub tabs are there: the hotkeys and touch. So in the tablet also there are 4 plus buttons is there, right? That is hotkeys, and in the middle, that is the gesture pad. Okay, in the hotkeys, as shown in this one, the first one is K1, next one is K2, K3 and K4, the K4 keys. Okay, you can do your settings as per your convenience and as per your usage. Okay, here the I prefer is K1 for the K1 for, maybe you can use for zoom in. K1 here, right? K1 for zoom in. The moment you press down the plus button, it will zoom in. And K3 for zoom out, and K2 for the undo, and K4 for the redo. You can use it. And in the touch tab, in the gesture pad, right? So just how you scroll on your mobile, right? Just if you want to move the pictures, just you scroll right and right side and left side, and if you want to close any of the open apps, just to scroll it up, right? Similar way you have to use the gesture pad also, just like your mobile screen. So when you as per the default settings in this one is control plus and control minus is given for the touch top and touch bottom. The touch top means that the moment you scroll it up on the gesture pad, it works as a control plus, that is for the zoom in, and control minus is zoom out, and touch left is back, and touch right is forward. And still, if you don't like these settings, still you can change in this one: keyboard settings, tablet mode settings, navigation settings, back, forward, zoom in, zoom out, application, and other settings you can do. Okay, and about us nothing is given, just about the version, what is the version installed, the driver version is given in this one. And still if you don't want this, after that you change some of settings. If you want to go back to your previous settings, just click on the restore default. Example, if I am clicking navigate back for the first button, this want to go back to the previous setting, just restore to default. It works as like that. Okay, but I prefer you select as click left click and right click for both of them. Okay, I hope you understood how to do the settings for both pen and graphic tablet. The next video I will show you how to use this the pen and tablet for Microsoft apps like PowerPoint, Word and Excel, and also in the PDF. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not done it. Okay, thanks once again.